Earlier this year, I set out on a mission to build $1 million company from scratch, and so far I've tax collected over $200,000, and I'm literally running this company from my parents' farm. And in this video, you're going to see behind the scenes on exactly what I'm doing and how I'm literally closing $10,000 deals around my chickens, horses, and every farm animal in between. So I hope this inspires you to go for it and to eliminate any excuses that may be holding you back. So if you like this type of content, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, make sure to comment them below, but enjoy, let's get it. Some clients do want articles published as them as the author or co-author. So we have some articles in particular that we can publish you as the byline where you provide a draft and we publish it. You just have to let me know if you want that included or if you want all the articles just talking about you, your story, and so on, build third-party credibility.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, all right. I mean, everything sounds good. I'll get that over to you over today. When did you want to get started?
Yeah, maybe most likely in this month.
All right, and then if you ever have any questions, you have full direct access to me, and then when we start working together, you'll get access to my team as well. And we have the best customer service communication, and yeah, and you'll really enjoy working with us. We'll get exactly how you want it, and we'll go from there, okay, Sumit?
Yeah, sounds great. Thank you for asking.
Yep, no problem. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? I'll send over that proposal shortly. Odds of that closing? 100%. I took the opportunity to close $10,000 plus worth of deals while literally being on the farm, outside, the horse in the background, in the heat. $1,500 a month deal, and this is not just $1,500 a month. One, they sign a 90-day contract. Two, they're going to double it every month to spend. So it's $1,500 the first month, and then they're gonna upgrade to $3K a month, and then they're adding on more services past that. We're gonna work with them on social media stuff, on top of PR, branding consultations, potentially like content marketing as well, UGC, influencer outreach, influencer marketing. So this is just the beginning. Again, the grind doesn't stop. Let's get it. I'm super stoked. I'm grateful. Let's go. How bad do you want it? Because I'm homeless right now. Got kicked out of the house because my sister's on a Google call and it's a private meeting and I can't be there, and I just took an hour-long call about system scaling, about this company that pitched me, trying to teach me all these things that I needed to be doing differently and redirecting in my business. And it's a $3,000 like deposit and $3,000 a month, whatever it is, and I'm sweating my balls off in this car. I was in a supercar 2 months ago. What happened? What happened to come? It's not like I have I have the same amount of money I had when I had the supercar. It's just that like I have to put pressure on myself because I'm like, yo, something's up because you're a little bit too comfortable and you shouldn't be as comfortable because you do not have $1 million in the banky. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm sweating my balls off, and you know what's crazy? That call took so long. I missed my other call. Freaking serious. I don't want to take this. This is literally live on trial. I'm sweating.
It's real sweat. I'm a high performance athlete. Athletes sweat. Sweat, baby. Sweat, sweat.
So just got out of a major meeting with one of the clients who's paying us $1,400 a month for basically content ideation, content edits, all that good stuff. And he's actually super plugged with a ton of investors. So I'm actually super excited because if the content booms, if everything performs, we get all that going, if we get all that right, two of his partners are gonna land, they're gonna have bigger budgets, and if we just land the $100,000 contract through organic content, they're gonna keep investing up with just, not just this, but tons of different services. So locked in, grinding, let's get it, doesn't stop, let's go. My chickens, they follow me around. Come on, Beckles, follow me, come here, come here, come on. Come on, we're gonna go get food. Come on. Come on. So I just spent literally the last hour and a half recording a massive PR webinar presentation. So basically I had to film the video inside like the webcam app, and then my CMO is gonna edit into like the camera presentation, but that was like so draining. I basically lost my voice doing it. It was like 2 hour straight shot. I honestly started messing up a little bit towards the end. Like I kind of like was literally like my voice was about to die out. It was difficult. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard. It goes to foreign countries. It goes throughout the United States as well. I low-key forgot how to talk during it. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, am I even saying English? But honestly, it's really good. And if you guys wanna watch it, maybe I'll put a link, or you guys can just book a call with Brandon Store if you ever want to check it out and ask for it. But it's basically a full branding presentation. I go over like the secrets, tips on how to build an omnipresent brand, what makes a brand A tier, what's the difference between your brand and an influencer's brand. This was a big obstacle That was very daunting, and so I'm finally glad that the Band-Aid's ripped off. It's over with. We can move on to the next stuff. We can also check that off the board. And yeah, I'm excited that this is over, and time to get into the other stuff that matters. There's plenty of other stuff to do. Can't stop. We just gotta pat ourselves on the back, keep going. So let's get it. So I'm gonna be perfectly honest. We got a $500 sale. I genuinely have no idea what client sent this $500. Like I'm not familiar with the Zelle. I just got a random payment and I'm confused. Like I wasn't even working on a deal like that. And I don't know how someone could accidentally Zelle me money either. So it's like, I don't know what's going on, but I'll take it, okay? There's this client I have in mind that sent me $500 and I think for some reason they think it's $500 a month. I'm not gonna talk them out of it. I'll continue to provide that value. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. Lawnmower broke down. Lawnmower broke down back to here. Lawnmower broke down, so you know we're gonna have to get the goats and the sheep out here to help mow the lawn. Cause you know we're out of options right now. The chickens just are lacking. But about to hop in the coffee shop. My brain's not working, but about to hop in the car. Go link Kyle the coffee shop. Finalize his Faithful Note website. Super stoked about that. We gotta start passing out the few samples. We have like 4 samples. We gotta pass out those samples to some people in Virginia Beach, and you know start getting their feedback and so on. Hopefully get some testimonials ASAP. Start building that out and kind of go from there. Should I call the police? Who is this guy? Why do you always have milk with you, bro?
Why
like
not?
It's becoming a problem.
Yeah.
So we're about to sip some? Hey. all right.
You've had it before.
Tastes just like regular milk, bro. All right, buddy, sit down. It's time to lock in. We gotta go over a few different things. We gotta go over this website vision. I actually just called for my food. Yeah, well, anyways, guys, we are locked in, getting this done. I wish I could show you guys behind the scenes of me trying to get Colley to do anything. It's like me blowing up like, bro, all you gotta do is respond to this guy. And then 8 hours later he responded like, I did it, that took like 1 minute. I'm like, I know it can take you 1 minute, bro, but it took you 8 hours to do the 1 minute activity. That's the problem, so. All right guys, so we're with Kyle. We're trying a cronut right now, so cheers to that. Yeah, it tastes like a donut. What's the difference between this and a regular donut? Why is my straw so abnormally big? But
Because it's not good food.
heat what we're building. Tough?
It's getting there.
What is Kyle's visually aesthetic eyes? What comes to mind?
I want to make this a little bit smaller maybe, but it's not that big of a deal.
So Kyle wants to start posting content too, but the content that Kyle's gonna be posting is gonna be very different. Raw meat challenges and showing the benefits, which is, I'm gonna leave that to him, you know, but here we are. So out of curiosity, right? I've never seen anyone bring jars to a grocery store. You bring raw milk to coffee shops and you bring empty jars to grocery, like what? So you said you're gonna fill that up with water. What water do they have at a grocery store? Are you talking about the water fountain? So now walk us through what's happening right now. So you get the reverse osmosis. So there's no fluoride left in it?
Yeah.
How did you figure out all this stuff though? Like what was the key to figuring out all this hidden secrets?
I saw some old dude using it and I was like, yeah, what kind of water is it?
So just asking questions, people put you on. That's fire.
He was getting like gallons.
So what
These
did
are
your
fire.
parents say when you started eating raw meat?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Because I was already animal based and then I just switched to raw.
You just switched to raw. All right guys, we haven't done a raw meat video in a while, so Kyle, I'm just gonna take a bite. All right, here we go guys. Raw meat challenge. Is there a best part of this? Cheers. Raw meat.
It's really good. Like I don't understand. It's better than what you think it tastes like. Bro, it might take me like 500 chews to get to the down. But it's still pretty big. Like I took a big bite.
I did it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's hope I don't die. Well, now Kyle's about to make some pasta. We're gonna go over some website revisions too. Kyle in the house, and he's actually cooking.
Yeah, you just put juiced half lemons in there and then you put the juice in there. You boil some noodles. Chopsticks.
Yeah. Yo, are you? Oh, and actually,
This is
honestly,
hard.
okay. They were so big. I wasn't expecting them to be that big.
That's what she said.
What the heck?
No, you
Oh,
yeah.
oh, so this is how you're so good at mixing up the coffees in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's go with the
You
lemon.
kinda
With the
smell
lemon.
You kind of smell the lemon getting beat up.
Oh
there.
yeah.
So,
Yeah. Oh, that's strong. Whew. All right, guys, we're gonna share the final products here. Oh, there's more. Oh, we're getting the good stuff now. Okay. The butter is now. Whoa, that's a lot of butter.
the half stick.
Is it gonna melt naturally?
Yeah.
What does that sound like to you guys? Chat, comment what that sounds like.
And then now, see, it's looking a little creamy from the pasta water. Yeah.
And that's the lemon juice. Oh,
Yeah.
more lemon juice. You like it. Oh, and there's still Parmesan cheese to go.
Yeah. Oh, now it sounds wet.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Ooh, that smells good.
Look at him. He's showing off now. When does Parmesan come to play?
I'll do right now.
Okay. How much are you going to put in there? Just a handful?
As much as I want, pretty much. Yeah.
And that's raw Parmesan. Here we go, guys. Well, you've seen enough of this. So the grind quite literally does not stop. Right now we got a client on a weekend being kind of unreasonable, right? It's actually kind of those referred us from, you know, the B2B partnership, and they're just trying to get us to basically lose money on the deal, right? So it's like, let's say that we had an article feature that we could do for $5,000, for instance. They're like demanding, like, hey, if you want to work with me and get all our referrals, you need to be able to do it for $2,500. It's like, listen, buddy, like I told you, we're the best at what we do. No one else can do these guarantees. No one can even do better price than us. You need to be realistic. Get this 5K art. If your budget is $2,500, get the stuff that's obviously costs twice as much as that out of your head. And let's focus on what's realistic and what we can actually do and reverse engineer to get you the best value for your budget. I even noticed myself kind of cross a little bit with an attitude because they're giving me attitude and kind of be demanding, unreasonable. So I have to like use ChatGPT to basically to like, I'll be like, ChatGPT, here's the email about it saying, can you make it friendly, personable, and so on. Then it will make it very firm and smooth. So I always recommend that. And it's so nice to have, like, imagine 10 years ago, you'd have to get like your assistant or your secretary to proofread something. Like nowadays we have AI so they proofread and fact check ourselves. Like it's so cool. And you gotta leverage that to our advantage. So I still type it all out, but I have ChatGPT, right, kind of proofread it and so on. And I'm gonna keep, oh my God, the mic's been on here. Oh my gosh. Does it even pick up on what I'm saying? Oh shit.
Farm kid, the entrepreneur. Came from the mud, did not need manure. Blessed with the hustle, not something learned. Grinding my soul, homie, not on my shirt. Think that I'm lucky, now boy I earned 1 in a million, cause they not concerned. Gotta be my plug buddy, boy I confirm. Running it up, teach you all how to serve.
Farm kid, entrepreneur, came from the mud to more.